Hello, my peeps, and welcome to day 8 of the 12 days of crafting. Catching up where we were yesterday on day 7, we got a second set of dies. So I did have to move my dies out of my other case because these ones were too big and there was no way to fit them around the stamps, which is good because I had to move my stamps a little. So now they're right back. I like that you put the stamps over top so you can see what's missing. If something doesn't get put away, especially with the photopolymer, because they are super easy to lose on a desk. So as you can tell, I've been playing with this one. I haven't done the sentiments yet, but I was definitely playing with all the imagery after the first day. So I've got my stamp set separate, and this was just this is how I used to store my dies. It would be like this. This would be the dies on this side and the stamps on this side. But I took the stuff out of this case to put in the new packaging to see how it was going to work. So I happen to have this stamp case there. So this is our new set of dies. And the one thing I did not notice until I went to set it down is that this one inside die, and honestly, I will say, I'm not sure why this one isn't the same, but this one has stitching on it. So, can I make it? Oops. So I put my hand up there, but I can't even see what I'm doing because I blocked my face. So this one has lovely little stitching around the edge. So I did cut one of each. So these are the pieces, and I cut them in different colors so you could hopefully see. So you could layer them. They have a wide border. You could layer them. Maybe I shouldn't use navy blue now that I look at it, but yeah. So those are the dies, and they fit various sentiments. Like this is way bigger than the sentiment. But if I wanted to take my lovely blue background and put my tiger lily on it, it fits the biggest of the stamp sets. So you could mix and match images and sentiments and all sorts of things on here. So that was the day 7 dies. Let us see. We're just mixing and matching as we go. Let us see what day 8 has in store for us. I don't even open this before I start. I don't even know where the numbers are. Like, ooh, good thing there's only 12. We've had calendars before with like the 24 little squares on them and a very elaborate picture. Because like this, I mean, the circle, and it'd be like it's a contest with my son and I to see who can find the number first. Because sometimes it is hard to find the number. Yeah, see, this is the backwards one where I can't do it easily. So I'm going to get my little knife out again. And I am going to just sort of I have learned that most of the stuff is inside, so I'm not as worried now about stabbing whatever's inside this square, but oops, that one went a little wide. Yeah, I haven't figured out yet. I mean, this box might just go in the recycle. But I feel like I should not trash it on the event that I do come up with a reason. I totally forgot about this. Seriously, as we're doing this, I'm thinking, okay, what else can be in here? How could I forget my favorite? Twine. So you know on DSP, you know on the back it usually says what colors are in. This DSP does not say that. And as I'm going through, I'm looking at the DSP though to get the colors of it. So what I guessed yesterday or the day before, I don't know, however many days ago the masks were, I was looking at some of the DSP, and this, because everything is still sitting here in a pile, this sheet in particular is what I was kind of going off of. So we have 2 rolls of twine that are white with colors. So I think this is navy, like some of this, or not navy, Misty Moonlight. And then I think this is Secret Sea. This seems too dark to be navy to me, so I think it's Misty and Secret Sea. And then this one, I took out Pretty in Pink and Flirty Flamingo are the 2 colors I used to get my flower. And they look pretty close. Now, I'm not 100% sure. So this one is one of those 2, maybe Flirty Flamingo? I'm not 100% sure. At some point, maybe there is, maybe they will all come together and I'll know what they are. But anyways, you know me, I love twine, and we got 2 rolls of it. So yay for number 8. See you guys tomorrow.